Hi, I'm Sanem D'Angelo. I'm the founder and lead interior designer of the Organized Stylist. At the Organized Stylist, project by project, we are helping our clients elevate their lifestyles. And it's not just through beautiful, aesthetically appealing spaces and furniture. The furniture pieces also need to serve you. They have to have purpose. And today, I'm getting a little personal with you, and I'm bringing you into my home, particularly into the dining room and kitchen area. It's the heart of our home. Even when we're completing our meals, we find ourselves still hanging out around the table. And after being in the space for so long, I found that I wasn't even maximizing my own space properly. Come along with me, I gotta show you something. So these spaces that we have here are from IKEA. They're from the Bespoke series. We love them because they're so modular, meaning you can customize them to your exact needs. But what's even better, we completely elevated their look by partnering up with Norse Interiors. So Norse Interiors helps you customize certain IKEA pieces. So with this Bespoke series, we were able to work with Norse Interiors and we got these beautiful doors. Look at how stunning they are. This slight detail really just helps us give a little pop in the dining room. And then these knobs and legs are also from Norse Interiors, and they just take this IKEA piece up to the next level. So the next time you want to maximize your space, check out IKEA, but then you must check out Norse Interiors to see the piece that you purchased is customizable and compatible with Norse Interiors products. There's a few IKEA series that they do, produce stuff for, so I definitely want you to check them out. Their delivery was so swift, their installation is so quick, and their material is so durable and is sustainable. You really get a high-end look without the high-end price tag. So next time, check out Norse Interiors to elevate your IKEA pieces.